Leather soles on cowboy boots, quite frankly, suck. Now, let me clarify. They're good for riding horses, they're good for two-stepping, and if you use your boots for those purposes, leather soles are what I'd recommend. But if you're not riding horses, you're not two-stepping, switching over to a rubber sole might actually be the best option for you. They give more traction, they're super durable, and other clients have actually told me they're more comfortable than the leather soles. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name's Oliver the Shoe Man. This is my apprentice, Ben. My wife and I own and run our family's fifth generation shoe repair business right outside Nashville, Tennessee. And last week's video, we talked about the Vibram 430 soles on cowboy boots. Now, they're really great. They're super durable. The only thing is they track a lot of mud and dirt because of the lug pattern. If that's an issue for you, the Vibram 700 is perfect. In this video, we're going to be going over the pros and cons of the Vibram 700, when to use them, when not to use them, and at the same time, we have a pair of Lucchese boots here that we're going to be resoling with the Vibram 700 soles. Okay, before we get started, as you've seen, we created a brand new channel mainly focused on cowboy boots. And to celebrate, we're doing free heel replacements. So if you have a pair of cowboy boots, the soles are still in great shape, you just need new heels, head on over to my website, get yourself a free heel replacement. All I ask is that you pay for shipping to and from my shop, and I'll replace the heels for free. Now, I'm only taking a limited amount of people to do this, so make sure after you watch this video, go place your order before they sell out.
So these soles come in two colors, black and brown. The black is made of a nitrile rubber and has a hardness of 70 to 80, short A, and an abrasion level of 90. Similar stats to the Vibram 430 sole, which we did a video on last week. If you haven't seen that video, go do so. The brown, however, is made out of a similar rubber compound, that nitrile rubber, but it has cork specs infused into the sole itself, which we believe is to add for comfort. So here we are removing the old stitching from the welt. The welt is this other piece that gets stitched to the boot, and then the soles get stitched to the welt. You have to get the old threads out of here before we can stitch the new sole on. So what are some cons to these soles? Well, they're fantastic for casual wear, like walking around the office, downtown, date nights, things like that. But if you're working in them, like climbing ladders, working construction, things like that, I'd recommend the 430 soles. The 700 soles offer a lot of traction, but not as much as, say, the 430.
So after we glue the soles on, we go ahead and shape them to the shoe. We carve a channel in the sole so the stitching is countersunk and the customer's not automatically walking on it. Now we're ready to stitch the soles.
After we stitch the soles on, we have to nail the back securely. These tack nails hit the metal last underneath and crimp back into the footbed, so you won't feel these at all. Then we put the new leather heel bases on, rough shape them, and balance them properly with the new top lift.
And just like that, we're all done. Take a look at how they turned out. Now we only did one of them. As you can see, before and after, they still have that nice slim cowboy boot edge profile. Now the rubber soles only weigh an ounce heavier than the leather soles, so you're not even going to tell the difference in weight between a leather and a rubber sole. Now if you have any questions about getting this done to your boots, all our contact information is down below. Call us, text us, send us an email, message us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all that wonderful stuff. Now if after watching this video you're ready to move forward, go over to my website. Once you're here on my website, you'll hit the 3 bars at the top. You'll hit repairs, shoe repair, and cowboy boots. Here you'll see all the sole options we have, including the 700, the 430, we even have a lug sole. Hit that 700 recraft. We have a little description, what's included. Choose if you want new welts, if you have a single or double stitch boot. If you want to add a midsole, you can. Sole color, stitching color, and edge finish. Then add it to cart. Check out like normal. You'll get an email confirmation with the shipping instructions. Mail your boots in, and we'll contact you as soon as they arrive. With all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Until next time, God bless you guys.